Hello, I'm Mr. Michael Burke. I'm your instructor for English 101 625 College Composition 1 that meets Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 o'clock to 12:15. This is what we call a live virtual lecture class. So we meet on those 2 days each week at 11 through something called Blackboard Collaborate, which is a part of our Blackboard Learning Management System. I'm going to show you in this video how to find that link and how to find the course, and then also I'll show you what the textbooks are for it as well. And I'll talk a little tiny bit about the syllabus. So the first thing you do is go to the college website, then go to Current Students, hum the Jeopardy song. I've had troubles with online all day, so I apologize for the slowness to some parts of this. And we'll go down to Blackboard. I always have trouble with the pull down menu. It never seems to work for me. We're waiting for Blackboard to open. Here's Blackboard. My instructor version has a lot of stuff in it that you probably won't see in yours, but you'll notice that the course list is always going to be on the left-hand side. So we'll go down, once that populates it, we'll go to your particular course. Here we go, 101 625. You'll see that it defaults to the announcement page, and in the announcements you'll see that there are two announcements that I've already emailed out to you. One has to do with academic support structures, what we now call academic success and tutoring, and then the other has to do with our course. So let me get to the view that you'll have. Okay. So this is the welcome message that I sent you on Friday. Down here at the bottom, you'll see a link to Blackboard Collaborate. If you click on this link, it'll open and it'll tell you that this will not be available until 10:45 on Tuesday morning. So when you want to get into the class and join us for our very first class meeting, that's the link you click on, and eventually you'll see a little session window open up. For today, all you're going to get is this message, and you'll get this until 10:45 on Tuesday. Every day that we have class, the day before, I'll send out a link to the Blackboard Collaborate site, and I'll post it to Blackboard as well as email it to you. You can enter the course or enter the session through that link, whether you're on a phone or whether you're on a laptop or a tablet or a desktop. If for some reason you're not able to log in to Collaborate, you can dial in. And I believe the same phone number is used every day, but there's a different PIN depending on what session it is. The drawback to dialing in with a phone is that all you're going to get is audio. And so anything that I show on the screen, you won't get to see. Okay. Down here at the bottom of the announcement is something that a few folks have already signed up for, and that is Remind. Remind is a free texting app that allows us to text each other. You can text each other, you can text the whole class, I can text you, or I can text the whole class, and we don't have to know each other's phone numbers. And this little handout explains how to do that. You go to your phone, you go to the browser, you type in this RMD AT number, and it'll populate you into a section. If it doesn't work, leave the RMD and the period out, but it should work. If you don't have a smartphone, then you send a text with this number to it, which is the same as the number up here, and you can get, it'll let you in. This thing also works on a desktop, it works on a laptop, and it works on a tablet. Okay, so I'd like you to sign up for Remind if you get a chance. Okay. The syllabus I sent out to you on Friday as well. If you're looking for the syllabus, it's posted under the syllabus and schedule area here in Blackboard. You'll see at the top of the page a link to a file, and that's the whole syllabus that I sent you. That's up here. And then down here is kind of the schedule. We have 4 assignments in the course, 4 major papers, and a lot of smaller assignments that fit underneath those umbrellas. There's something to do almost every day, and some of those we'll do, every class day. And some of those we'll do in class, and some you'll have to do them outside of class. We'll have to see how it goes. One of the things that I'd like to call your attention to in the syllabus, and I'll go over this on Tuesday, is the idea of contract grading. There's no points in this course, and instead there's a series of tasks that you have to get done, and you get credit for how many tasks you've completed. And like I said, I'll talk about that on Monday. Okay. The next thing that I wanted to mention are the textbooks for the course. The first one is Reading Critically, Writing Well. This is from the publisher's website. So if you haven't bought the book yet, you need to get a copy of it that's got this white cover on it. We're using the 12th edition, which is new this year. An 11th edition won't do because the 12th has some new essays in each chapter and different language and different page numbers in the components that talk about the writing process. So this is the one that we're going to use. As you can see here from the publisher's website, there's an ebook option. If you buy it through our bookstore, there's a new book option, or I believe there's a rental option. There's also a rental option here from the publisher. The second book that I ordered for you is called Easy Writer. This is a package in the bookstore where you get Reading Critically, Writing Well, and Easy Writer together for one price, and there's a discount involved. This book will not have any assignments from it, but we might use it when we have questions about grammar or mechanics or formatting or structure, things like that. But if you don't buy this book, your life will not be over. It's helpful. I ordered it when this was a little bit different course from what it's turned out to be. So if you don't have it, the world's not going to come to an end. But if you do have it, it's not a very expensive book. I think you'll find it useful. There's also an ebook version here that you can get that's half the price of the paper book. There's actually 2 versions of this. One has a blue cover, the other has a white cover. They're both 7th edition. It doesn't matter which one you have. Again, remember that this is a Tuesday-Thursday class, 11 to 12:15. We meet during those times just like we're in a classroom, but we do it online, again, through Blackboard Collaborate. And I will make sure that I email out the day before the link to that particular date's Collaborate session. I'll also be recording these and posting these to Blackboard as well. So if you have to miss class for any reason, it'll count as an absence, but you can make up the work. Okay, I'm looking forward to meeting everyone. This is a course I've taught for a long time. I changed everything around last semester to try something different, and we're going to be seeing how that works for this semester as well. My intent is to make it much more like the writing process that professional writers use and also make it more interesting for you. So again, I'm looking forward to meeting everybody, and I hope this is a course that you're going to enjoy. Thank you. See you Tuesday.